There are moments in life when everything collapses. The business you built, the dreams you chased, even the people you loved. It feels like the world has turned against you, leaving only silence and regret. David once believed in the power of hard work. A young man full of ambition, he built a thriving business from scratch. Sleepless nights and countless sacrifices made him a success, respected, admired, unstoppable. Then life reminded him of its fragility. Bad decisions, betrayal, and vanished opportunities turned his empire to dust. Friends whispered behind his back. The streets that celebrated him now felt like a courtroom. The world does not remember how hard you tried. It remembers where you fell. David was frozen in the ruins of his past. He replayed mistakes, chained himself to what-ifs, and let fear convince him that trying again was too dangerous. Every corner of the town reminded him of what he lost. He was alive, but not living. One rainy day, watching people move forward despite the storm, David admitted the truth. I am stuck. Healing begins not when life fixes you, but when you stop pretending and face your reality. Guided by an old neighbor's wisdom, David learned that holding broken pieces only prolongs the wound. Letting go was not weakness, it was freedom. He started small, cleaning his desk, throwing away old contracts, journaling thoughts, helping others quietly, learning humility. Months passed, his steps grew steadier. Small victories built new roots. He started a new venture, not for glory, but for purpose. Slow, deliberate, sustainable growth replaced the reckless ambition of the past. He discovered that success is not in proving others wrong, it is in living true to yourself. Years later, David's story became an inspiration. His scars were reminders of survival. His new life, a testimony that falling is not failure. Staying down is. He whispers to himself now with certainty.
I am not what I lost. I am what I chose to rebuild.